G'day, here's quite a large parcel of basically potch. If there's any opal in it, it's a bonus. A lot of people want this for their doublets and triplets. Like I say, it's just being sold as potch. If you find opal in it, that's great. I hope you do. I'll zoom in a bit and give you a bit of a better idea of some of the pieces. Okay, zoomed in, as you can see, there's not really any colour much in it. That doesn't mean there hasn't been something missed. And if you look at it, that you're buying it as backing, with the possibility of finding something. But basically, there's pieces like this in there that are just that potch. It's got a hint of colour there, but with some of this, possibly if you want to go through it and see if you find something, just get it, start at one side with a little fine saw, cut it through, have a look, cut it through, have a look, cut it through, have a look. See, that's got a bit of colour in the middle there. Whether it actually goes into anything, I don't know. There's a colour bar there that hasn't sort of, well, that's actually, see, there's, that's what I was talking about. There's that piece there. It's got a colour bar in it. If that turned into a stone, you might get your parcel out of that, the price of the parcel out of that. But, just not worth for the miner to get it looked at more. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Might possibly divide this in half if someone asks. Cheers.